This is June 7 live stream update 2 or 3. Starting at noon California time on June 7th, Poppy's Workshop is going live. I'm going to be auctioning a shave and a haircut. I don't want money. What I want is metal. Those pieces of really nice metal that laying around the shop, you don't know what to do with. Too good to throw away, you don't know what to do with it. You can bid. Opening bid a tool, end mill, center drill, something like that. The auction will run through June 22nd. On June 23rd, I go live again and announce the winner. And like an eBay auction, you can start out bidding with, say a 1/8 inch end mill, or you can jump right in, both feet, be a hero, and buy it all for a 60-piece set of number reamers. Shars has a really nice set of Chinese for $189. Or you guys can drag it out. Make it fun. Good night.